This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Wi-Fi Nugget. To begin, ensure you have your device, a compatible power cable, and a computer with a modern web browser ready for setup. This small, powerful tool helps you explore and analyze wireless environments efficiently, making network understanding more accessible for everyone. We will cover everything from initial power-up to advanced configurations, ensuring you get the most out from your new device. Powering your Wi-Fi Nugget is straightforward and critical for its operation. Simply plug the device into a reliable power source, like a USB 3.0 port on your computer or a standard 5-volt, 1-amp wall adapter. Once connected, look for a steady indicator light, which confirms your device has successfully powered on and is ready for the next steps. Always use the recommended power specifications to prevent any operational issues or damage to your hardware. Now that your Wi-Fi Nugget is powered, it creates its own temporary Wi-Fi network for you to connect to. On your computer or smartphone, locate and join the network named Wi-Fi Nugget Setup or a similar identifier. Once connected, open any web browser and type 192.168.4.1 into the address bar. This will take you directly to the device's control panel, where all configurations happen. Inside the control panel, your first step should be to change the default Wi-Fi network name and set a strong, unique password for the administrative interface. This is crucial for securing your device from unauthorized access. Take some time to explore the various operational modes available, selecting the one that best suits your project, whether it is for network monitoring or creating a new access point. Remember to save all your changes regularly to prevent losing any customized settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.